Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to create a Snapchat ads account. So first thing that we should do here is we have to visit the business Snapchat website. So here's in the search bar, just type out for business.snapchat.com. Okay, after that, you would be able to see this website. Next thing that you are going to do is to click on the get started option. That's right. And then we have to create our account. Okay, so to create our account, you just have to input right here our business and profile name, our email, and then our password. And then, of course, do not forget your birthday, the day, your month, the day of your birthday, and then the year. And then, if you want to continue with your Google account, then you can also choose this option. So, once you're done, you can now create your profile. So once you're done creating your account, you will be directed to your dashboard. So here you can now create and start your new campaigns. For example, your objective is awareness and engagement, or to increase the traffic of your website, leads, ad promotion, and sales. So for example, we want this leads, and then click on next after that. Okay, so right here on your new campaign, you just have to customize this one, add here all of the important details. So you just have to set up your campaign. So after that, you just have to click on the next option at the bottom right corner of your screen. All right. And then here for the ad set details, you just have to, choose the conversion location. And then you just have to add here your set name. And then the tracking, we have the goal and the bid, the budget and the schedule for this lead campaign. And then the placement. And then, of course, your audience, the location, and all of the important details for this campaign. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.